Hello students, welcome back to your class of English, and today we'll discuss about the editing task and we'll solve few exercises so that you can have more idea that how to go for the editing task. So today we'll do some exercises of error finding. So let's start. I hope you are ready with your notebooks and pen. So are you? So start. The following passage has not been edited and there is one error in each line against which a blank is given. Write the incorrect word and the correction in your answers sheet as given below against the correct blank number. Remember to underline the word that you will supply. So the given passage has not been edited and there is an error in each line, and against that the blank is given. So write the incorrect word and the correction in your answer sheet as indicated in the columns. So are you ready? So let's read out the first exercise. The first exercise is automated teller machines has revolutionized banking and made life easiest. Bank customers could now withdraw money of their account anytime and somewhere in their own country or even from the world. So the question is, automated teller machines has revolutionized banking and made life easiest. Bank customers could now withdraw money of their account anytime and somewhere in their own country or even from the world. So now let's see what can be the possible errors. So now let's see in the first sentence. So while doing the error finding or the omission task, as in the previous videos we have discussed about few rules that you always keep in mind, that you always have to keep in mind while going for this task. So the first one was that while doing this task you have to read the passage carefully and just take an idea about the whole, as the first sentence is always connected with the next one and the next connected with the next one, so they are all interconnected. So it is very necessary for all of you to have an idea that what is the passage about. As we have read this passage 2 times, this is about ATM machines. And the second rule was that you have to identify the tense of the given passage. As I hope you have the guess that this passage is about the present time. And the third thing that you keep in mind, whether the sentences given are in active voice or in the passive voice. So if we talk about the time of the tense, it is in present time, and all the sentences I think are in active voice. Yes, the first sentence is in the active voice and the second one is also in active voice. So let's see what can be the possible errors. Automated teller machines, as we know that here we are talking about the plural subject, the machines. And so if the subject is plural, accordingly the verb will also be plural. The helping verb has is always used with the singular subject. So here the correct word will be have. Automated teller machines have revolutionized. So the error would be has and the correct word would be have. Banking and made life easiest. Automated teller machines have revolutionized banking and made life easiest. As we know that has, have, had always take third form of verb or the present past participle form of verb known as third form of verb. So made is correct, and what can be the possible error? Easiest, because we know that it is a superlative degree, but superlative degree always preceded by the, and this rule we have already discussed in a previous video. So here the error would be easiest and the correct word would be easier. Automated teller machines have revolutionized banking and made life easier and have made life easy. So bank customers could now withdraw. As we know that we are talking about the present time, so here could is used here as the past of can, even though there are different usage of could, but here could is used here as the past of can. So here the correct word would be can and the error would be could. Bank customers can now withdraw money of their account anytime. And now in the next sentence, money of their account, there is something that is not getting correct. There is something that is not making much sense. So there is an error of preposition of, and the correct word would be from. Say they can withdraw the money from their account anytime. So the error is of and the correct word would be from. And somewhere in their own country or even from the world. As we are talking about the country, so the next possible word would be world. So here from the word, W-O-R-D, in place of this word it would be world. So let's have a look again all the correct words and the errors. In the first sentence A, correction is have, error is has. In the next, easiest, error, and the correct word is easy. In the third, could, and the correct word is can. In the next is correction is from and the error is of. And the next, somewhere, in the next one there is an error of anywhere, and anywhere in their own country or even from the world. So now let's proceed to the next exercise. Madhu lost her father when she is still a child. Her uncle looked at all the property that she inherited from her father. Since a few years, her uncle worked very sincerely. Afterwards, he thinks this property should make me rich. Let's read this passage one more time. Madhu lost her father when she is still a child. Her uncle looked at all the property that she inherited from her father. Since a few years, her uncle worked very sincerely. Afterwards, he thinks this property should make me rich. So as we know about the rules, the first is to read the passage carefully and to identify the tense, as if we know that the tense would be in the past and all the sentences again are in active voice. So now let's find out the errors. Madhu lost her father when she is still a child. It was talking about the past, so the helping verb here would be was. Madhu lost her father when she was still a child. Her uncle looked at all the property. Now looked at means to look at, but here he has taken care of, so the correct word would be looked after, which means to take care of. Her father looked after all the property that she inherited from her father since a few years. Here it would be for a few years, because since is used for a particular time, so here it would be for a few years. Her uncle worked very sincerely. Afterwards, he thinks, as we know that this is in past, so here would be afterwards he thought this property should make. As you know that should is used for the suggestions or the recommendation, so here will be used could for the possibility. This property could make me rich. So I hope you all are aware that what are the errors and what are the corrections. So in the first there would be the error is and the correction would be was. In the next, looked at in place of at, it would be after. Then inherited. Then since, for. Afterwards he thinks, he thought. Should, in place of should there would be could. So all these are the errors, and in the next video we'll discuss more about the exercises of error finding. and I really hope that you will practice. And if any problem you may face anywhere, you can consult me anytime. Thank you.